Hello guys, I am Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited because I have 7 gorgeous cord sets to share with you all. These are comfy, chic and honestly perfect for everything from everyday wear to something little more special, and each set has its own vibe. So let's dive right in. Let's start today's haul with this classic black cord set from She by Sassafras. Honestly, black always looks gorgeous, right? And it is made in viscous rayon fabric, so it is super comfortable and soft on skin. It is a shirt and trouser cord set where shirt is really simple with regular collar, front button closure, 3/4 sleeves, and regular straight fit trousers. But the golden embroidery on this set makes it extra special. Look at this gorgeous embroidery. It is there on collar, on front placket, on sleeve edges, even on the trousers hem. This embroidery on trousers hem ties in the whole look together. Trousers are simple, fully elasticated, mid-rise and super comfortable. Also, it comes with 2 pockets, which is always a bonus for me. And the fit of the trousers, chef's kiss. I styled this look with minimal jewelry. These gold earrings from Ciodre. This bracelet set from Amazon. For the footwear, I opted for my Carlton London black heels and I finished the look with this beautiful gold clutch. Simple, elegant and chic. Perfect for ethnic day at work, dinner parties or casual family get-togethers. So, next is this vibrant yellow bandhani printed kaftan style cord set from Nayam by Lakshita. Again, it is made in viscous rayon fabric, so it is super soft, easy and breathable. Now let's decode this outfit. Kurta is kaftan style with mandarin collar and front button placket. It has extended sleeves which comes till our elbow, plus it has nice tie-up detail which makes the design interesting. But what makes this kurta extra special is this threadwork embroidery around the neckline. And look at this cute tassels. Kurta is knee length with curved hemline and it has foil print on it. It is not actual bandhani. So if you reverse the fabric, it will be plain. It comes with fully elasticated Afghan style salwar, which is super comfortable and my favorite in this set. Salwar is full length and not cropped, which I really like. And it comes with 2 pockets, but those are not functional here because there are no slits in the kurta. So it is really difficult to reach those pockets. For the styling wise, I paired it again with the jewelry from earlier look. Same gold earrings from Ciodre. Can you see? These are beautiful earrings. Bracelet set from Amazon. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels. And to complete the look, I took this beautiful bag from Mochi. This is my new purchase. Let me know how you guys are liking this. This look is festive yet comfy. So it is perfect for puja at home or for temple visit, or when you are hosting a festive get together at home, you can go for this. This look 3 is again from She by Sassafras. It is black and beige printed tunic and palazzo set made in viscous rayon fabric, so super comfortable. This set is my favorite and I'll tell you why. First, it has this flattering V neckline, which is just the perfect size of V neck. It is not too deep, not too small, just awesome. It has almost long sleeves and comes with this elasticated cuffs, which I personally love because then you can adjust the sleeve length as per your requirement. If you are working, you can pull it up, otherwise you can keep it down. Tunic is mid-thigh, which I feel a perfect length for a cord set. Plus it has nice ethnic motif print all over and there is this golden sequence detail on the neckline and on the front. It has full open front. which adds nice little detail on otherwise simple set. Palazzos are also special here. They are in this beautiful flit and flare shape. Because they are made in paneled design, we got this beautiful flare below the knees and it moves beautifully when you walk. Otherwise, they are partially elasticated and super comfortable to wear. This is super comfortable everyday set. So I styled it with minimal jewelry, same earrings from Ciodre, same bracelet set. For the footwear, my Carlton London heels, and to finish the look, my Lavi Lux bag. And I am good to go. This set is perfect balance of chic and comfort. You can wear this for lounging at home, casual day at work, or anywhere, absolutely anywhere. Next cord set is in this beautiful sage green color and it is from brand Jhumar. I recently discovered this brand and they make really nice stylish cord sets in premium quality fabric. I really look forward to their designs. It is made in pure cotton fabric, so it is super comfortable and easy on skin. Now let's come back to this set. It is simple tunic and trouser set and the fabric has nice self-design on it. Can you see this white self-design on this set? Super gorgeous, right? Tunic has simple mandarin collar, 3/4 sleeves and V-style button placket. And look at these stitch details on placket. It adds refinement in the look. Trousers are also made in same self-designed fabric. They are fully elasticated with drawstring closure. Comes with one pocket. Very easy and practical. For the styling, I decided to style it with silver accessories. So this simple studs, a bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels. For the bag, my new purchase, Mochi bag. And that's it. I am ready. This look is perfect for lounging at home or for those work from home days or for travels. Moving on to look number 5. It is green and beige ikat printed pure cotton cord set. This one is from Pink Paprika by Sassafras. It is a simple shirt and trousers set. Shirt is in classic design with the collar, full button placket, long sleeves. Super simple, no frills, but the color and print do all the talking. Trousers are flared in the same print, slip-on with elasticated waistband. Comes with 2 pockets and flare of the trousers adds so much flow and movement in the look. I ordered my usual large size in this set, but I felt it was little snug around my tummy. So I styled it button opened and honestly it worked out great. If you are like me and prefer a comfortable fit, I would suggest size up or style it button open the way I did. For accessories, I paired it with silver oxidized jewelry, these owl earrings, simple bracelet, for the footwear clear heels, and for the back, these cute little brown bag. This set is super versatile. You can wear this in office or casual coffee date or lounging at home or for running errands. Options are unlimited. This look number 6 has such a pretty ethnic touch to it. It is a tunic and trousers set. It is made in pure cotton fabric in this beautiful burgundy and pink shade. This one is from brand Wine Red. I really love this brand because I did a kurta style cord set haul sometime back and all sets were really good, great in fitting and fabric. If you have not watched that, please go and check that out. Tunic has peplum style silhouette with this V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, and there is the print on print border on the neckline which is in like wrap style. Same border carried on sleeve edges also. Plus they have given this fabric belt. Now you can tie this at the front like this, or in the side like this, or you can tie it back the way I did. Trousers are really simple and clean in the same print. They are mid-rise with fully elasticated waistband and comes with one pocket. Super comfortable for all day wear. I styled this look in silver tones, simple earrings, bracelet, for the footwear my clear heels, and brown bag. This cord set has nice traditional touch to it, so it is perfect for festive get-togethers and family lunches. And finally, ending this haul with another classic from She by Sassafras. Lately, I am adding so many sets from this brand because they do really pretty fusion looks in premium quality fabric, and fit is always on point. This set is in beautiful blue color with fully embroidered tunic and trousers. It is made in viscose rayon fabric, so super comfortable. Tunic has regular mandarin collar, 3/4 sleeves, full front button closure, and buttons are in this contrast red color, which adds the visual interest in the look. It is mid-thigh tunic with curved hemline. It has really nice delicate embroidery all over the tunic in this contrast pinkish red color with side sequence detail, which shines when light falls on it. This embroidery gives this set that refined edge. Trousers are super simple with fully elasticated waistband, and they have nice embroidery detail at the hemline, which ties in the whole look together beautifully. For accessories, I kept it minimal. Same earrings from earlier look, bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels, and to add the pop of color, my Lino Paris red bag. That's the haul, guys. And I really love how versatile these pieces are. They are really comfortable everyday pieces, but with little styling, you can take them to festive lunches, office, even for casual outing or festive get-togethers. So tell me in the comments which one was your favorite and which one you are going to buy. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!